Hello, this is Keith Hall and welcome back. Today's tutorial is going to be on how we could utilize the Microsoft Excel 365 sum product function. Basically what the sum product function does, it takes multiple ranges of cells or arrays as input and then multiplies the corresponding elements between each array and then adds all those products together. So the syntax is sum product, and then you pass into it multiple arrays. Now the arguments are the array 1, this is the first required array of cells or range. And then any subsequent other arrays that you pass into it, these are optional additional arrays of cells or ranges. Now points to remember when using the sum product function. Now, all these arrays that are part of the sum product that you pass into it must all have the same dimensions, which is the same size and shape for the function to work correctly. And if you don't have the same size, you will get a pound value error in it. Now, also to a point to remember, any non-numeric entries in any one of these arrays are treated as zeros. So let's go over here. I'm going to give you an example of how this actually works without using the sum product, and then we'll build this function together. What this formula is doing, it's basically taking this cell here, which in this case I have a data set where you have multiple salespeople who have sold or number of items bought basically for each model number here. So this salesperson bought this many units and it's going to be priced at this price per unit. When you go to this column, this is the number of items times this price, and then so on for this. These are the number of items bought, then you multiply by that. So basically what this is doing, it's taking each sequence here, the price times the items bought, does it for all these columns, and then after it comes up with that multiplication, it adds the values together to come up with the total revenue. So that's what this is doing. So to make it a shortcut, sum product, you do sum product, you take the array number 1, which is the items bought, okay? Array 2 is going to be the prices used for all these items bought. I'm going to select that. I'm going to fix this an array because as I copy this range down, I want this value to still reference the prices for each items bought. So I'm going to press F4 to fix it. Parentheses, close out, and then you get that. So as you can see, this is the same amount as this right here. So if I want to copy this down, I could highlight the entire range, enter here, which is as if you were editing a formula, or press F2 for the shortcut, and press Control Enter. Now what this does is it copies down the formula for each cell without carrying, without, copying down the formatting, which is in this case borders. Press Enter. There you go. And as you can see, each one of these equals the same as this formula is, but using a shortcut, which is the sum product function. Hopefully this tutorial was insightful for you today to learn what the sum product function does, how it works, the syntax, and how you could actually utilize this in your spreadsheets. Again, I want to thank you by stopping by. Please like and share this video, and also please subscribe to my channel so you always get updated when a new video comes out. Thank you and have a great day.